Turmeric controls diabetes. Diabetes is one of those lifestyle diseases that occur in people who lead a stagnant life. Today, with the kind of life we lead, we are very susceptible to this disease. And if we are not careful enough, we soon start gaining weight, which leads to high cholesterol or blood pressure, which then leads to diabetes. It is not an immediate life-threatening disease, however, if left untreated, it can lead to several physical complications. Studies have revealed that turmeric can help decrease glucose levels in the blood, thereby stabilizing sugar levels. This helps diabetics manage their disease better. For those who are pre-diabetics also, turmeric helps delay or keep away diabetes. So, a cup of turmeric water early in the morning is all you need to include in your diet to manage diabetes. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.